The Fibonacci Time Zones Tool is used to study timing rather than price. Unlike Fibonacci retracements, which focus on potential support and resistance levels, Fibonacci time zones plot vertical lines across the time axis. The purpose is to highlight future areas where price may become more active, pause, or potentially change direction. TradingView describes the tool as a series of vertical lines based on Fibonacci sequence intervals used to anticipate possible reversals based on elapsed time. The tool starts with a base interval. That interval is created by selecting two important points, usually a swing high and swing low, or two major turning points in the market. Once that first distance in time is set, the tool projects additional vertical lines forward using Fibonacci numbers. These lines do not show where price should go. They only show when a point of interest may develop. That distinction is important because the tool is concerned with timing, not direction. A practical way to read Fibonacci time zones is to treat the vertical lines as areas to watch, not as automatic signals. If price is already approaching a major support level, resistance level, trend line, or previous swing area as it reaches one of the time zones, the timing line can add useful context. But if price reaches a time zone with no supporting structure or confirmation, the line on its own is not enough to justify a trade idea. The settings can also change how the tool is interpreted. The anchor points matter most because the entire projection is based on the distance between those 2 points. If those points are chosen poorly, the projected time zones may have little value. Traders often use clear swing points, major trend changes, or important impulse moves as the starting reference because those areas give the time projection a more meaningful foundation. The main limitation is that Fibonacci time zones do not forecast price level or direction. They only highlight possible timing windows. A time zone may coincide with a reaction, but it may also pass without any meaningful change. That is why the tool works better when it is used with price structure, support, and resistance, volume or momentum confirmation. In practice, the Fibonacci Time Zones tool is used to add a timing layer to chart analysis. It helps identify when a market may deserve closer attention, especially if price is also reaching an important technical area. Used this way, it becomes a planning tool rather than a standalone trading signal.